Morning po. Magta-try po tayo ulit ng chocolate bar, no? So, galing po ito kay ketomart.ph. Kasama pa rin po ito ng box of goodies na dumating. I think that was a week ago, no? So, this time, Fit Crunch. So, yun po yung pangalan ng chocolate bar, no? It says on the nutrition facts, yung total carbohydrates po nito is 14 grams. So it's lower compared dun sa advanced chocolate bar or snack bar na kinain ko po the other day, no? Yung snack bar po na yun is 20 grams po yung total carb. So this is 14. So I'm expecting na mas mababa or halos kapareho lang po ito na wala pong blood sugar spike nung advanced snack bar. So ang gagawin po natin dito, hatiin ko rin po siya to 4. So 1/4 lang po. Yung 14 grams divided by 4. So that's equivalent to 3.5 grams. So again, no, pasok po siya ron sa 5 grams na sinasabi ko. So saktong-sakto po siya ron. Kakainin ko po siya. After 2 hours, babalik po ako. And we'll see kung ano po yung gagawin niya sa blood sugar ko. By the way, nakakakuha na po pala ako ng baseline blood sugar. It's currently at 122. So of course, kinuha ko po yan through the Otay CGM. Reminders lang po, huwag pong mag-aanli. Always eat in moderation. Hindi po ako doktor, so whenever in doubt, konsulta po kayo sa doktor ninyo. And yung results po ng mga review na ginagawa ko, it may vary. So huwag niyo pong i-expect na yung resulta sa akin is magiging kapareho po ng resulta sa inyo. So yun lang po. Have a nice day. Conclusion na po tayo dun po sa Fit Crunch chocolate bar na kinain ko po 2 hours ago, no? So nag-start po yung blood sugar ko at 122. And then after an hour, umangat po siya ng 6 units, nag 128 po siya. Pero 10 minutes before the first hour, nag 130 po siya. And yung 130, yun na rin po yung peak blood sugar level. On the second hour, bumaba po siya. Lower than the baseline blood sugar. No? 115 po yung final blood sugar reading. So, well, obviously, no, yung 122 to 128 on the first hour plus 6, it can be considered insignificant. So, 6 units lang po yun eh. So, if you're going to take a look at the graph, no, yung span ng 2 hours, halos flat na flat po siya. Plus the fact that, yun nga, I'm no longer taking maintenance medicine for diabetes. Ever since I stopped the maintenance meds, naging sensitive na yung katawan ko sa carbohydrates, no? Sugar and carbohydrates. Or anything that would spike blood sugar. Kaya konting tikim lang, umaangat po kagad siya. Pero for this particular chocolate bar, no, halos hindi po siya gumalaw. So yun lang po for this review. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye-bye.